So how do you request a refund on the iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. Okay, so if it happens that you, for example, accidentally bought something, you can open up your web browser, like go to Safari, and into the URL, you're gonna literally type in reportaproblem.apple.com. And it's gonna get you to this website where you'll be required to sign in with your Apple ID. Naturally, you don't have to do it on your iPhone, but it can be done through any place. The good thing about using it on your iPhone is that you can use the passkey to sign in, which means that you just scan your face and authenticate yourself that way, and you'll be able to get inside without typing in the passcode or, the Apple ID password. But once you're inside, then you need to start typing in what's really going on. So what would you like to do? You might report some issue with the services, or you might as well request a refund. So you're going to do that, and then you need to elaborate on it a little bit more, like what exactly happened, and then choose the service that you have purchased. It might be a subscription or like an app or whatever, and you can request a refund. It all heavily depends on the specific situation, so it's not going to be approved right away. You need to wait it out a little bit, right? So obviously, if you just bought it accidentally and a day passed, then you should probably get the refund. But, in other cases, it might not be approved. So you need to wait for that decision to be made. So all you have to do is just to wait it out and see what happens. But that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to do it. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one. And I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.